Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'd love to introduce to you a gorgeous 1957 Chevy Bel Air. This thing's got about 750 miles on a body-off frame rotisserie restoration. You can lick the bottom. It's gorgeous. It's House of Colors black. It's like a mirror. I don't know if you noticed yet, but the roof is a gray titanium. You got the gray wheels, gray and black interior. It's a sharp car. And it has all the upgrades: four-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, air conditioning, overdrive automatic. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs and study all the pictures top to bottom. And you'll find a price tag on every car along with a monthly finance option as well at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you're subscribed and then click on that bell icon so you're notified as they are posted. So we got a lot of great cars lined up. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said you could lick the bottom of this car. It's had all new metal, the floors, the braces, the rockers, and it's pristine. It's not just patched up. It looks like factory. It's all new metal, zero rust. And it's painted a silver color, smooth and glossy. Same with the frame. The entire frame was prepped and painted the same silver. Really, really nice under there. So up front, it's all upgraded. Tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. It's all polished. Rack and pinion steering, big fat sway bar. It's lowered. And of course, it's all new. The ball joints, bushings, all of it is new up front. In back, it has the leaf springs and the bushings were replaced. It has lowering blocks and has air shocks in the back. Custom dual exhaust. It has a stainless steel X pipe in the middle. Flow Monster mufflers. And yes, Flow Monster, not Flow Master. I was writing a sign, I kept wanting to autocorrect the Flow Master, but they're Flow Monster mufflers. Polished tips coming out the back. It sounds real nice. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. All new brake system, the whole thing, the lines, the hoses, the e-brake assembly, and it has disc at all four wheels with drilled and slotted rotors. The fuel system's new and the tank is all painted real nice. You look up at the motor, it's still clean and actually spotless. Has a finned aluminum oil pan, a high torque starter, a new flywheel cover. It has a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission, custom drive shaft. It looks like it's an aluminum drive shaft. New 373 posi gears in the rear end. So underneath the car, everything is practically new. The body is amazing. You know, black car really needs to be straight. Well, this one is straight. I mean, laser beam straight, rifle barrel straight, whatever you want to call it, it is absolutely straight. The gaps are square and flush and line up nice. No issues, no problem areas, no rust, no damage, no dents. It is a House of Colors paint. And it is polished like glass, literally. Looks like I could reach in and shake my own hand. And then the roof, I think it was called titanium. It's a gray, shadow gray metal flake. It's polished, smooth, and glossy. But all the gaps are nice. Yeah, the body's outstanding. And it was just professionally polished and detailed right before we got it. All of the exterior trim and chrome stainless has been replaced. All this stuff around here is polished. I mean, even the vent window frame, even the frames around the glass, all of these frames are replaced. The door handles, the mirrors, the side moldings, the rockets, all the chrome up front. It's all replaced. It has T3 headlights. That's what they would have had originally. T3 headlights in there. The correct antenna, passenger mirror, all this stainless Again, all replaced. All the side glass was replaced. The windshield was replaced. I believe it's the original rear glass because it has some light scratches on it. But the gasket was replaced. All the window seals, weather strips. Has 18-inch Ridler wheels. And I really like it. With the gray, it picks up off the roof. Kumho performance tires. Got a nice stance. And back here, all this stuff is new and shiny and beautiful. Just nice. So, the outside's amazing. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like inside. I'm going to ask you a question. How many of you know where to put the gas in a 1957 Chevy? Because if you don't know, you might be looking all over the place. There it is, hidden behind the trim. And inside the trunk of this car, I like how it pops right open like that. Very nice and tidy. The metal is all painted and solid and clean. It has a new mat, new weather strip, and a new seat divider on the back of the seat. I think they got the stance real right on this car with the lowered suspension, the nice wheels tucked up under there. The black with the gray combination, it's first class. It's nice. Door jambs are painted very tidy. The weather strips are new and they fit right. Now it has a reproduction interior from Cars Inc. Has the all-new door panel, the stainless trim, the armrests, the cranks, the handles, all new. If you notice, there's 2 power window switches there. The doors do have power windows now. It's a new conversion. All the metal trim is painted gloss black. Has a custom instrument panel with modern gauges. 764 miles. That's all that's on this car since it's been completely off-frame restored. The trim across the dash is new. Digital retro stereo. The glove box is probably the nicest opening and closing glove box I've seen. The AC vents are neatly installed. Yeah, a couple more gauges there. They match the others. Now this is not a stick shift, although it looks like one. This is an automatic shifter on the floor. New carpet. Got a nice tilt column with billet handles. Nardi glove soft leather cushion gripped steering wheel. The seat's been rebuilt. It's nice and firm, so everything fits nice. It feels like a new car when you sit on it. And I love this upholstery. The silver and the black with silver thread, and it has chrome piping and chrome buttons. Brand new seat belts in the front. Everything in back, the seat, the side panels, handles, ashtrays are all excellent. All looks new. All the chrome trim inside looks new. Got a couple 6x9 speakers in back, new headliner, visors, mirror, dome light works. Very nice, tidy interior. Ridler wheels with Kumho performance tires. Now this is a 1990 Corvette, Corvette 350 motor. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake, a 600 Howley carb with electric choke. Looks like it's an MSD, it's electronic ignition system. And it's got a lot of nice goodies. It has some billet plug wire holders, brand new set of Patriot coated headers, some nice valve covers, nice air cleaner, aluminum pulleys on the front, chrome alternator, chrome power steering pump, chrome master cylinder with stainless lines and a new brake booster. It's got a nice aluminum radiator with a custom shroud, overflow bottles polished, dual horns. It also has an inside hood release cable. The battery is new. It's got a billet dipstick for the trans. Everything's painted real nicely. It's got electric wipers. A real nice motor compartment. I tell you what, this is a really nice dialed in car. You can spend a ton of money, you can have all these new parts, but it's all on how it comes together. And this one comes together nice, inside and out. Even the weather strips, they're not falling off the car. So many cars have new weather strips and they're hanging off or chunks missing. Tidy. Even this rubber up on the cowl, the clips are new. The fellow we just acquired the car from just spent $6,000, took it to a shop and dialed it in even further. All little things, there was an exhaust rattle and just miscellaneous stuff was all done to this car. It's detailed, it's dialed in. You can literally pick this car up right now, take it to a car show, go for a drive. It's that type of car. Beautiful 57 Bel Air. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can find the salesman. I just gave you my impression, but they can help answer your questions. They can get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car at volocars.com. I hope you are enjoying these videos. Make sure you subscribe, and then you have to click that bell icon. That way you're notified as we post the next video. Thanks for watching.